Introducing ATMOS, the stylish new way to make real cold drip coffee in your home. ATMOS is quick and easy to set up. Fill with fresh coffee and water. Assemble the tower. Then flip. Leave ATMOS to brew overnight. In the morning, you will have up to 5 shots of cold drip espresso, which stays fresh in the fridge for up to a week. The heart of ATMOS is in the atmospheric airlock that regulates water flow, and the filter body with small grooves that form cold drip espresso drops for collection. This simple design makes it easy to set up and a breeze to clean. ATMOS Cold Drip Espresso is richer than most cold drip extracts. This allows you to enjoy cold drip coffee in new ways. Try it on the rocks or a nice hot long black. It can even be used as a base to your favourite milky coffee, like this latte. Remember, you can always add water or milk to achieve your desired strength. To ensure you always have cold drip coffee ready to go, ATMOS comes with 3 bottles. We've been developing ATMOS for the past 2 years, obsessing over every detail to bring you the highest quality product you would be proud to have on your kitchen table. All of our manufacturers and supply chain are lined up and ready to go. We need your help to fund tooling and fulfill minimum order requirements. Back us today and make ATMOS a reality.
The development of espresso machines never stops. This device is manufactured to make espresso in all kinds of places and under any circumstances. Incredibly small, incredibly light, extremely strong. Created for 5 years. It has the first magnetic cream nozzle for espresso with extraordinary cream developed before anyone else in the world. Have you seen a magnetic espresso before? And have you tried it? This machine can do it. This is off-road coffee.